Have you invested in Nasdaq 100 ETF or any other Nasdaq 100 fund in the last few years? So if not, please watch this video because Nasdaq 100 is something which will give you enough bigger returns. So I'm going to share about that. So hi, hello, this is Ganesh Santur, your stock market profit coach and author of the book One Page Mutual Fund Plan. So today I'm going to talk about one more Nasdaq 100 fund of fund because Aditya Birla is launching this. Earlier, we had seen this in the with Motilal launching 10 years before, and in the last couple of months, we had seen some other mutual fund companies launching a new NFO based on this Nasdaq 100. So today, this Aditya Birla is also launching, and the NFO period is going to end on October 29th. So if you are somebody who has not invested in Nasdaq, please go and invest. Why you should invest this in your portfolio? Because just look at the returns of Nasdaq 100 in the last from January 10, almost like 11 years, 11 and a half years. Just look at 20% returns based on the if you're investing in that Nasdaq 100, and because of rupee depreciation, you're going to get 5% extra. So 25%. So this is the returns generated by even Motilal Oswal in the last 10 years. So they are many people are going and investing in this kind of fund because of the extraordinary 25% returns in the last 10 years. Just look at in India, you will be getting around 15 to 20%. Some funds are given 20 to 24%, but 25% over the 10-year period is a huge returns. So that is the reason many funds started launching. And some of the mutual fund companies have launched S&P 500 because it's a 500. It's again an index fund. So why it is called as fund of fund? You're going to invest in a fund index fund in US, and they are going to invest in Nasdaq 100. Okay, so the because mutual fund companies here cannot invest directly in Nasdaq 100, so they are going to invest in a US index, Nasdaq 100 index, and that will be invested in Nasdaq 100 stocks. So you can buy as small as 500 rupees and in multiples of 100 rupees every month, and that is an option you have, right? And why you need to invest, this is the most important point. Just look at the returns generated by Nasdaq top 5 stocks. Apple 32%, Microsoft 33%, Amazon 37%, Tesla 73%, and Alphabet 32%. So even let's take 32% as an average returns. So once in 3 years your money is going to get doubled. In the last 10 years, just look at your money would have got doubled by 3 times, 3 to 4 times your money would have got doubled. And this is an ultimate way of investing because the last 10 years there has never been a bigger recession or stock market crash in the US. So this stock has been keep on moving because of quantitative easing and because of so many reasons in US market, and is purely based on US market, right? If the market is crashing, if the market is changing, the stock might correct. But these are the stocks which had seen resilience after 2008 market crash. They become prominent, all these companies. And Microsoft in particular, if you look at, they have been in the market from 1980s. So they have been so all these are technology companies, and there are 100 other companies which have been top performing, and they keep performing over a period of time. So the point is, if you are looking at investing for a higher growth returns, these companies in US, they are not focusing only on US. At least 30 to 40% of their revenue comes from all other market. Microsoft, Amazon, Google, all these companies are having their offices, their revenue generating out of India, because all these are social media companies, technology companies, and they have bigger presence in India as well, and all across Europe and every other country you can say. So the point is, they are global companies. We call it global MNC. If you are having a presence other than India, we call it as an MNC. But these are the companies, they have revenues generating out of globally, not only in specific country, right? So that is a point. You should have this in your portfolio, and don't invest more than maybe 10 to 20% because there is a risk involved in it. Till now, we haven't seen that risk. So since the last 10 plus years, the market has been rewarding. So stay invested, and even for the next 5 to 7 years. And the point is, if the market is declining, US stock market also will decline. And in 2008, for the first one to 2008 to 9 10, they didn't move. It was almost flat, it was lying low. So during those timelines, you need to stay invested, you need to accumulate more, right? Even if these companies get out, there will be another set of companies, because as the technology is advancing, there is more of technology companies in US. So the point is, automatically there will be a reaction in the short term, but in the long term, these are good companies which will deliver great returns over a period of time. So stay invested in these funds, start your investments if not done. So if you're already invested in Any other Nasdaq 100 ETF, you can ignore. You can give a ignore to this fund. So if you're not even considered investing in US fund, this is something you should start focusing from now on. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Please share this video with your friends who are new to investing, who wants to invest in US market. Thank you.